Hello Nick, it's Zurab here at Fast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2005 Chevy Corvette with very low mileage. It's a 26,900 kilometers on it. Here's the car proof. It's absolutely clean, no claims, no accidents, no damages, no liens on it. The price is $32,888. This is the price to sell it now. The season is here. The condition of the vehicle is just perfect. The paint, rims, tires, brakes, everything. It's been fully certified. It's a polished aluminum rims on it. Everything works on it. The roof works. It's a 6-speed transmission. Has a heated seats. It's a push start, keyless entry. Has a touch screen GPS on it too. The driving modes. So the vehicle is really nice. I drove it myself. We got it in the end of the summer. That's why it was here, but now it will move very soon. If you have any questions, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.